Hi, welcome. My name is Taba, and in this video we will learn about how to use the row number function that is available in SQL. In the previous videos we learned about how to rank in SQL. There were two different functions that we used, that were rank and dense rank, and we also learned about the differences between them both. Now in this video we will be trying to understand about the row number function, how this row number function works. Basically row number function gives us row number basis some criterias. So let us start how we can use this. So in this we have used employee name table, and employee name table has employee number, employee name, job, manager ID, hire date, salary, commission, and department number. So we will show every columns from this table, and then we will use row number. So here this is the row number. How row number, we will write this function row number over then partition by, and in the partition by we can partition in basis any criteria. So right now I will put condition job. So what I'm trying to do here is bifurcate salary basis job. So first I will bifurcate basis this job, that is partition by, then order by. So in order by I will put salary, and now I can run this function. So I can see that the all job names has been placed at one place, like there were two different entries of analyst, so they both are here. Then it used 3,000 salaries at one place and put the condition 1 and 2. So they put the ranking here, same as the clerk. It has a 4 different entries and they are salaries here. So as I put descending salary, so higher salary come at the first place, then the next lower salary, then the next, then next. So it gives basically the rank basis the conditions. In the last segment we can see that it is the salesman, and the higher salary come here 1600, 1500. So it gives the rank of 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is how rank function works. Rank function can be used somewhere like you just wanted to pick just one conditions, like the higher salary one. So I will use the same function, and here I will put a condition where Rn is equal to 1, that is the rank 1, because I wanted to put the maximum salary, the entry with maximum salary, or you can say that I wanted to find the employee name who get the highest salary in every job category. So I will use the same formula for rank, just I will use rank 1. So here I will put, and the same condition works. So here we can see that the highest category, that one value for everyone has been fetched. So that is how the row number function works. It basically gives you the rank number basis some conditions. We can put some more order by also, like here I put salary, we can put some hiring date or something, anything we can put. So it can bifurcate the rank, or you can say in bifurcate the values basis conditions. So I hope this video helps you understand the row number. Thank you for watching this video.